Hey, my name's Alex from Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and unbox and assemble the Dirt Devil Simpli-Stik vacuum. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay, now that we took it out of the box, you should have a vacuum here with an extension cord. Inside the vacuum should be a filter. This is the head of the vacuum here. A nozzle. A handle. It should come in two pieces with some screws. And this is the rest of the handle. Also, you should have some instructions. Okay, first step we're gonna do is we're gonna put the handle onto the actual metal handle here. And the way this is gonna be done, we're gonna need a screwdriver for this. There should be some screws in here. There should be two here. Go ahead and take these out. Okay, once you take the screws out, as you can see here, it's gonna be two screws. We're gonna go ahead and install it onto the handle. As you can see, there's two directions this can go on. These are gonna be on top. These are gonna be on the bottom. So you grab the bottom handle here, rivets in here, it should fall into place. Once you do that, you grab the top part of it, and then you turn it around. You can see here, it snaps in place. You put a screw, one in the bottom, you screw it in, and then you put one on this side and screw it in. Okay, now that you got the handle in place, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna insert this handle into the vacuum. The way this is done, there's a hole down here at the bottom. This needs to be facing downwards. You press the button here down and you slide it in, and then you let it go, and then it's in place. Okay, so the next step is to go ahead and put the vacuum onto the nozzle. The way you do that is you see the front of that, you get this part here, you slide it in until you hear it click. Once it's in place, it should look like this. Okay, the last step is to turn the vacuum on. What you do is you go ahead and plug it in. Once it's plugged in, go ahead and slide this button down and it will turn on the vacuum. To take the vacuum apart and use the nozzle, what you do is you slide the nozzle out, you insert this in, and what you can do here is press the button back here and it'll disconnect the handle. And now you have a handheld vacuum. Thank you for watching the video. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. For more information, go ahead and look in the description down below.